Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can raise the request to change your citizenship flag in your PAN database. So before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I'm going to show the method how you can raise this request using income tax profile. So on your because this involves too much of personal information. That's why in order to protect my privacy, I'm going to show you in the screenshot modes where personal information has been wiped out for privacy reasons. So you need to log in into your income tax profile. This is the dashboard. So if you go under grievances on top navigation bar, you see there's an option submit grievance. Go there. Here you have to select AO. AO stands for assessing office. Okay, now it changes to this one. Under select category, select PAN related application with AO and subcategory select request for change of citizenship, residential status flag pending. Do this and then description will be enabled. Here you write it down that you want to update because you have obtained citizenship of so and so country. So you want to update in your PAN card. And in documents, under other documents, you can upload your foreign passport or foreign citizenship certificate, whichever is applicable. Then if you have, then definitely like, because India does not allow dual nationality, so you must have surrendered your Indian passport. So your surrender certificate, upload that, your PAN card, upload. If you have got OCI, definitely you should upload your OCI so that they can find out, yeah, you still hold some status and then submit it. Then it goes into your assessing office. Now it's up to them to process. Sometimes it's really hard, and in a different video, I have described the method in case they don't do it. But this is the process. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.